evening, dear and esteemed watchers of this channel. And of course, good morning or distinguished, blessed, and honorable instructor, Mr. Milan. So, here, me, Ramazan Ulambeka from ACA23A Group, from team in honor of Magnificent Ramazan, is here to represent our project and show how is that working and other related stuffs for the subject Introduction to Engineering and Informatics. First, I'm gonna show this as a web application, but if you want to check this app, you usually can download this as an APK file for your Android smartphone by scanning this QR code. So, let's start from the start page. Here we see a welcome to ClearLoan. First, you have to choose who you are, is individual or legal entity. I will show the legal entity registration and theme, so I will choose the dark. So by the legal entity, you can log in or registration. So by the simple ones, full name, passport ID, phone number, and others, you also need to provide company name, in and end, address, phone, fax, director name, company amount of profits, and password. So, but I'm gonna show for individual user because they're actually quite similar. Otherwise, legal entity took more money and needs more information. So let's take a registration for individuals. Full name is gonna be R Musk. The phone number, let's create the phone number that we want. Passport ID. For place gonna be Alato International University. Occupation is gonna be student. Well, who's are working. Monthly income, okay, will be 30,000. And let's type an password. So register. That's second in that. And after that, we need to set a 4-digit PIN. I'm gonna took the simplest one, 144. So there's our aggregator. We see all loans that providing us with the best percentage, best conditions, how much money, periods, and is it Islamic or not. So there's also aggregator how you can see. So for example, low rates with a percent, short term. There's actually no one because everyone's giving at least 6 months, and short term is kind of months and other. Long term, high amount with the money is Al Bank, of course. Best value is Al Bank again. No culture, and of course Islamic. This already has only 3 banks at current time. So by choosing something, you can see the bank info is their score rating, their head office, about them, their products, branches, and rating. We can rate this bank as we want. For example, let's rate this as a 3 points, okay? And after that is gonna be something similar, but probably not. Or taking for example, Bakai Bank, rating 1, and they're choosing their average score. So by the footer, you can see, oh, by the way, there we have notifications. You can switch the languages to Russian to Kyrgyz language. And also you can change the theme as you want. So the second part is financial literacy. So how consumer loans work, you just read in here how to understand and take the loan. Profile, there's no credit history yet because there's a situation that because you don't have right now credit history. Request, which request one, for example, mortgage for 200,000 sums, 10 for 24 months, purpose, house in Istanbul, and see bank options. There's no matches because not for mortgage. Okay, let's take for the consumer and we see this one, but all of them is reject. why the mortgage didn't shown, or for example auto will not, but one, because your credit history is low and your occupation role is just student and you have your salary only 30,000 sums. So give me some time to log into a good account. Can I pause this one? Yes, no. I guess no. Okay, then you will see just my GitHub. GitHub. Where is that? Where is that? From the repository, you also can download the app. But what's the most important for us is just users, demo users with some credit history or without. So let's provide this information. So login. And after that, this profile with great credit history, with good amounts, with sales manager. So let's choose again mortgage amount. We can choose as we want. See bank options, score. There's no mortgage against because you haven't called you and 4 credits. But if you're choosing consumer, we see the position, for example, alternate. Let's choose the best one option. So we choose apply and results apply ID 4. That was sent to financial director that will choose your credit history. So that was short introduction of app. This working. If you want also check how working others with other roles, there is there's an administrator, so we easily can just log in with that one, with an administrator, where you can just check the loans that give to you and control the banks, your information, bank administrator. So that's the end of the explanation of video. We hope that you liked that, and we're expecting 100 points, of course. Okay, see you and goodbye.